We're heading off to go on a Hidden Bangkok tour, longtail boat. We're going to Wat Phak Nam, to the Big Golden Buddha, and we are going to take the BTS, change lines, and make our way there. We left 2 hours early because we're so new at all this, you know. I'm going to pan around here and show you the train.
We hope we're on the right side.
We are. She explained it to us, and she was very patient. Well, we made it to Itarapat, which is the exit we were supposed to get off on, the MRT.
You want to take motorcycle taxi? Let's take motorcycle taxi.
Is it that, how far is it?
It's not that far.
Okay, well maybe we'll take a motorcycle taxi. How'd you do?
That was fun.
Got here in one piece?
Yeah, we did. Were you scared?
No, well, you know, I haven't been on a motorcycle taxi in a while, so I held on tight. But he was nice, he asked me if I was okay. I said, I'm fine, thank you. We got here, we're at the Hidden Bangkok Pier, and this is where we'll be taking the longtail boat to the Hidden Bangkok tour. It's beautiful. I'm gonna walk you guys up the street here and show you a little bit. You wanna get a table and I'll be right there?
Okay.
Okay. Check this out. You can hear the little tinkle tinkle bells hanging from the tip ends of the temple. Yeah, we couldn't get a grab. They wouldn't show up. Ray says, let's take a motorcycle taxi. And I said, all right. It's 36 baht for that. When we got here, we're early. We're 1 hour early. The tour takes off at 4. Smells like incense. It smells so beautiful here. Little homes along this little soi. Recycling bins. They recycle a lot here. It's one thing you'll notice. They've got a lot of nice street art along here as well. The tour takes off at 4 p.m. So I'm going to head back to the restaurant where we leave from, and we're going to have a little bite to eat. Look at this restaurant. Look at this restaurant, guys. Check that out. So these people live in these little huts along the little canal here. And this is where we're going to be taking off on our boat trip to the Wat Phak Nam Big Buddha. And I believe we go to Artist's Village as well. Oh, here we go again. She told me when I came in to watch out for the water splashing us at the table. Okay.
Yes, we will start at this one to the salon and go to the Mon Canal this way. Yes, and go to the Bangkok Canal. Yes, and for the 1 hour you can stop at this Village. Yes, and 20 minutes for the visit at Village. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, and when you finish at the Village, your driver waiting for the same here. Yeah, you come back to the yeah. Okay. And in the end, both of you at the Wat Phak Nam. Yeah, for the 1 hour, Wat Phak Nam I can show. I have something to show you. Yeah, under this.
Yes.
Okay.
We've been.
Yeah, we've been.
Yeah.
We like.
Yeah, we love.
Really?
Yeah, that's why we're coming.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
love Wat Phak Nam.
Yeah,
Yeah,
20
it's a
minutes
beautiful-
long.
It's beautiful.
That's why we're going to stay
Yeah.
and finish there
Yeah.
so we can see.
Okay, yes, and in the end, both of you at that Wat Phak Nam, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Khap khun ka.
Yeah.
Here we go. We have our own private little boat here. We're going now. Hal is our driver, and Sherry 30-minute stop at Artist Village, I believe it's called. So we're gonna get off the boat here and go see what's up over here. Okay, we are at the floating market. There's our boat and our driver, and we're coming back in about 25 minutes. We'll see what's up. Oh, these are all the little sellers that sell things that they make and have to recycle. We've got clothing here, 50 baht if you want to buy some clothes, and there's a mango sticky rice. So it's not Artist Village, it's Artist House. Here comes our ride. This is called Boat Grab. And off we go. We had a 20-minute stopover. Well, it was actually about 30 minutes, but we got back to the boat and she was waiting, so we thought we'd get back on and head on down the canal to see what's up next. This is fun. 1,500 baht for both of us. We love Bangkok.
Carry emotions, the weight of the ocean. You keep climbing mountains, too blind to see. It's not getting you closer to where you wanna be in your life. The weight on your shoulders, time to put it down. You fall and you break, you got battles to take on, but you figure it out, yeah. When you fall and you break, you got changes to make now. See the light at the end of the tunnel, it's right there now, just look up and follow. Take one step at a time, babe, I'm with you all the way. So baby, get up, 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 up. No, don't you stay down, 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 down. Now lift yourself up, 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 up. Baby, baby, get up, baby, get up. The brighter you're shining, the darker the skies get. So used to be hiding behind your fears, but from my perspective, you got just what it takes. You're in control here, don't you forget. You fall and you break, you got battles to take on, but you figure it out, yeah. When you fall and you break, you got changes to make now. See the light at the end of the tunnel, it's right there now, just look up and follow. Take one step at a time, babe, I'm with you all the way. And baby, get up, no, don't just stay down, and lift yourself up. Baby, baby, get, so baby, get up, so baby, get up. Don't just stay down, 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 down. Yeah, yeah, baby, get up. See the light at the end of the tunnel, it's right there, and I just look up and follow. Take one step at a time, but I'm with you all the way. So baby, get up, no, don't you stay down. Go and lift yourself up. Baby, baby, get up. Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing, not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. Can't stand to hear more today. I'm gonna lock my door and stay inside or wait until I'm safe again. I have nothing more to put on, I'm defeated and withdrawn, just trying to understand where it went wrong. Always believe that nothing good in life is free.
We're here again at Wat Pak Nam. It's our favorite temple here in Bangkok. We first went here when we first moved to Thailand last year. We came with our neighbor, Sure, and we fell in love with it, and we wanted to come back, and so we took the Bangkok Hidden Boat Tours here to the Wat Pak Nam temple, and we've had a beautiful day. We hope you enjoyed our video. Thank you so much for watching. We have some more to come. We're not done yet. All right? Thank you. We love you all.
Thank you, love you. See ya.
Bye-bye.
I wanna stay wide open. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open.